Hey guys, welcome back. Steve with Almetal dryer vent. At a customer's house, this one I haven't been to in over 10 years. Over 10 years. I've already walked around the side. It's in bad shape, bad shape. So I'm gonna get everything set up, bring you guys along, and we'll go from there. But look at that sweet tree house back there. That thing is sweet. It won't let me zoom in. Okay, stay tuned. We'll be right back. What did I tell you? That one's nasty. I had to change clothes. That one was so bad. Guys, clean those dryer vents. 10 years is way too long to wait. You guys saw that for yourself. Depending on the size of the family, if it's 2 people, that needs to be cleaned every 3 to 4 years. Family of 4, every 2 years. Family of 6 or more, I need to be in there once a year for your power bill, for the safety of your home. Check out almetaldryervent.com. I have it's called a quick connect periscope. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer. You push the dryer straight back into it. No more fooling with trying to connect that hose and then try not to pop a hole in that hose and all that. I appreciate you guys for watching. almetaldryervent.com. Thank you.